Para po ako nagne-nebulize.
Yata.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Laire and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I will be reviewing this Ckeyin Vacuum Blackhead Remover. So if you want to check how this works, then keep on watching. So it comes in a white box. Simple lang siya na packaging. And then ito yung picture ng product. And inside of it is naku. Matigas siya. So, ito na yung product itself. Ito yung pinaka-machine. Kailangan niya... Kailangan, chine-charge lang pala siya. Kakulay niyang nails ko. Bakla ka. Alright guys, so this is the Ckeyin Blackhead Remover Vacuum. It's a rechargeable vacuum. So, it comes with a charger here. And, there are 5 suction tips. Alright, you can change the suction tips and 5 included in the pack. Okay, for you to open this, press it once for grade 1, then grade 2, then grade 3. Then to turn it off, long press. Alright? So, it says here you need to practice on the back of your hand first before moving on to your face, because you need to be used to the pressure, or you need to at least practice controlling the pressure so that your face will not be red, severely red. Alright, you need to move it up or down. You can't stay at one place because it will make your skin red. So again, this is level 1. Level 1. This is level 2. And last is level 3. Oops! See, when you're stuck at one place, the suction will be very hard. It's a beauty instrument that sets dermabrasion, compact pore purifying, acne treatment, blackhead, and acne removal, and other functions in one. It removes dirt from the epidermis, so it has a function of shaping and lifting. It's not recommended when there's scarring or wounds. And for dry skin, you can use it once a week, and for oily skin, you can use it twice a week. Do not exceed 5 minutes, or depending on the skin condition. It may cause redness, so let's check kung gaano ka-red ang face natin later. But after 30 minutes, it will be gone. And then do not scrub or exfoliate product before and after use. So I will just prepare my face for the blackhead removal, and I will see you later.
Para po ako nagne-nebulize. Try natin sa cheek area. So, level 1. Oh! Hala, mula siya agad. Okay. So far, wala pa naman ako. Wala pa siya nakukuha. Oh, now I get it. So, pag in-open mo siya, this one, pag in-open mo siya, na accidentally ko na-open, you will see a sponge. There's a sponge in the middle. So, yun ang papalitan mo with this one. I don't think it's that hard. Pero, may nakukuha siya dito. I don't know if you can see it. Ayan, nasa gilid-gilid eh. Ayan na, nasa gilid niya, nakukuha yung oil. Ew! Ayan o, ew! Ew! Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Akala ko nabugbog ko na yung ilong ko kanina. Dun sa malaking no. But no. Gilid. Dito ko siya ginamit sa gilid ng nose. And look. Ayun siya. Ooh. So, ayan. Nakahanap po tayo ng model. Diyan mo ko So,
Masakit na.
ikaw, sabihin mo. Nasa sige, one muna tayo. Ayan. Ew.
Ano na dito?
Masakit ba?
Hindi na.
Ew.
Matatanggal.
Ayan lumalabas yung mga lumalabas na kainin mo ba nakikita?
Hindi.
Ayan lumalabas yung mga whiteheads. Di ba pag pag pinipisil? Ew.
Yata.
Guys, kalahati pa lang yung nagagawa ko sa kanya. Tingnan nyo naman yung dumi. Tingnan nyo yung dumi. Kadiri. Ah. Bye, Jay! So, guys, that was my brother. And pag pinakita ko tong nakuha ko sa mukha niya, ewan ko na lang kung di kayo maniwalang gumagana to. Yan. Ganyan kadami. Just ew.
So what are my final thoughts about this product? First of all, it works. If you can see the gunk that I've collected in the tip, my gunk and my brother's nose's gunk, it has a good suction. I expect it to be a bit more intense. The level of the suction here, it works. I just thought that it would be greater. So I have combination skin, which means that I'm oily in the T-zone and I'm dry in the outer perimeter of my face. I can get the gunk here, but when it comes to this area of my cheeks and my chin, it's drying and you can see dead skin cells, so dermabrasion effect. Yeah, you can really see dead skin falling off. So that's why it's not recommended to use a scrub before and after a vacuum, because this already has a scrubbing exfoliating effect. Kind of addicting because you wanna clean all the parts of your nose. And here I don't have a lot of oil buds, or I didn't collect oil from the perimeter of my face but on my nose. Got rid of my oil here. Quite happy because it works and it's only $3.99 on Shopee. I'll put the link in the description box if you want to get this. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want more skincare videos like this, then just comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!